And we're getting you breaking news at this point of time. Now, the BSP has sacked its coordinator. His name is Jay Prakash, and he has been sacked because he called Rahul Gandhi a foreigner, a person who doesn't understand India. So, an anti-Rahul remark has cost this BSP coordinator his position in the BSP. We have Aishwarya. He'll be breaking that story for us. But yes, getting you a reaction first up from Mayawati, and then Aishwarya will be telling us more about that story.
लेकिन मुझे कल लखनऊ में बीएसपी के हुए कार्यकर्ता सम्मेलन में पार्टी के खासकर राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष श्री जयप्रकाश सिंह द्वारा दिए गए भाषण के बारे में ये जानकारी मिली है कि उसने कल बीएसपी की इस मानवतावादी सोच व नीतियों के विरुद्ध जाकर तथा अपनी विरोधी पार्टियों के सर्वोच्च राष्ट्रीय नेताओं के बारे में भी काफ़ी कुछ व्यक्तिगत टीका टिप्पणी करके उनके बारे में काफ़ी अनर्गल बातें भी कही हैं जो बीएसपी के कल्चर के पूरे तौर से विरुद्ध है और जिनका बीएसपी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। अर्थात इनके द्वारा इस किस्म की कही गई बातें उनकी व्यक्तिगत सोच की उपज है तथा बीएसपी की नहीं है। और साथ ही बीएसपी की सोच उनकी जो उन्होंने जो भी कल कुछ बोला है तो ये सब बीएसपी की सोच व नीतियों के विरुद्ध भी हैं, जिसे अति गंभीरता से लेते हुए तथा पार्टी व मूवमेंट के हित में भी आज हमारी पार्टी ने नए बने बीएसपी के राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष श्री जयप्रकाश सिंह को उनके इस पद से तत्काल प्रभाव से हटा दिया गया है।
Political editor Aishwarya Kapoor joining us on the phone line. Aishwarya, what's the real story right now? Mayawati has come out and said she's given a statement saying that this is against the culture of the BSP, but we've heard BSP leaders making comments again, many leaders, especially from the BJP. What's the real story behind this sacking?
Well, the fact of the matter remains that this shows that how close BSP and then the Congress party are really getting right back to 2019 general elections, and then BSP Supremo Mayawati, whom we just heard, does not want any problems in this alliance, and that's the exact reason why she is for the first time sacking a leader for speaking against the Congress party leadership and specifically speaking against Rahul Gandhi. He called Rahul Gandhi foreigner. Jay Prakash, who was the national coordinator and the national vice president, has now been sacked, has now been completely removed. This basically clearly gives an indication that how serious BSP is for a coalition with the Congress party right prior to the 2019 general elections, and does not want any of their leaders to take on the Congress leadership. And this is giving a clear picture that what exactly is the thought of the BSP Supremo Mayawati in this very regard, that she wants to go with the Congress party in 2019 general elections, and that's exactly what is clear now after her decision of sacking of her national vice president Jay Prakash, who has been the coordinator of the party, and just because he said something against Rahul Gandhi. And as you said, this is not for the first time we've heard BSP leaders speaking against Congress, SP, BJP leadership, but now Mayawati understands that come 2019 is going to be a game of coalition, and that's exactly why she does not want their leaders to speak out of turn against the Congress, against the Samajwadi Party, because it's a clear line, it's a clear indication which she is giving to each and every party leader of the BSP that you cannot speak against the Congress, you cannot speak against even the Samajwadi Party for that matter, because they are in a greater alliance with the Samajwadi Party than the Congress. So that's the line taken in, that it's going to be a coalition. And Mayawati is giving a clear indications for that. Right, a stronger political message coming in from that decision by Mayawati, and her statement, like you just heard, she says that this is against the culture of the BSP, but clearly it's not about the BSP, it's about the alliance, and a message that she's sending to the Congress, a Congress appeasement move by sacking the national coordinator. We are going to play out the reaction of Mayawati once again. Tell us if you think you are convinced by that statement.
लेकिन मुझे कल लखनऊ में बीएसपी के हुए कार्यकर्ता सम्मेलन में पार्टी के खासकर राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष श्री जयप्रकाश सिंह द्वारा दिए गए भाषण के बारे में ये जानकारी मिली है कि उसने कल बीएसपी की इस मानवतावादी सोच व नीतियों के विरुद्ध जाकर तथा अपनी विरोधी पार्टियों के सर्वोच्च राष्ट्रीय नेताओं के बारे में भी काफ़ी कुछ व्यक्तिगत टीका टिप्पणी करके उनके बारे में काफ़ी अनर्गल बातें भी कही हैं, जो बीएसपी के कल्चर के पूरे तौर से विरुद्ध है और जिनका बीएसपी से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। अर्थात इनके द्वारा इस किस्म की कही गई बातें उनकी व्यक्तिगत सोच की उपज है तथा बीएसपी की नहीं है। और साथ ही बीएसपी की सोच उनकी जो उन्होंने जो भी कल कुछ बोला है, तो ये सब बीएसपी की सोच व नीतियों के विरुद्ध भी हैं, जिसे अति गंभीरता से लेते हुए तथा पार्टी व मूवमेंट के हित में भी आज हमारी पार्टी ने नए बने बीएसपी के राष्ट्रीय उपाध्यक्ष श्री जयप्रकाश सिंह को उनके इस पद से तत्काल प्रभाव से हटा दिया गया है।
Right, so there you heard that reaction from Mayawati. She says that this is not against the Manavtawadi, that's the word that she used, against the Manavtawadi culture of the BSP. But we know that there have been several leaders in the past in the BSP who've come out and have used filthy language against many leaders from especially the BJP and, like Aishwarya was telling us, also the Samajwadi Party. But yes, Rahul Beta, a man who spoke out against Rahul Gandhi, has been sacked. He's the national coordinator of the BSP. Jayaprakash is his name. He's been sacked for saying that Rahul Gandhi is a foreigner, is like a foreigner who doesn't understand India. We'll be getting a lot of political reactions to that story, but for viewers just joining us on this broadcast, the news point here on this story is that the BSP, Mayawati's party, has sacked its coordinator, whose name is Jayaprakash, as he called Rahul Gandhi a foreigner, a person who doesn't understand India. Aishwarya Kapoor has been breaking down the political implications of that big decision taken by Mayawati. He says that this is nothing but a move to send a message to the Congress that she wants an alliance with them and she doesn't want to upset them at this point of time. So the Neta who has criticized Rahul Gandhi has lost his post in the party. Big key political, it's a key political development here. He was a key aide of Mayawati and he has been sacked as the coordinator for calling Rahul Gandhi a foreigner, for saying that he doesn't understand India.